Hey, what's up?
Not much. Just got back from lunch.
Oh, nice. What did you get?
I got a sandwich from that new place downtown.
Oh, I've been meaning to try that. How was it?
It was really good. I got the turkey club.
Hmm? That sounds delicious. I'll have to check it out.
Yeah, you should. They have a lot of options.
Cool. So, how's your day going so far?
It's going well, thanks. Just got a lot of work to do.
Yeah, I know the feeling. I've got a lot on my plate too.
Yeah, it can be overwhelming.
Definitely. So, have you traveled anywhere exciting recently?
Actually, I went to the mountains last weekend.
That sounds amazing. I love the mountains. Where did you go?
I went to Colorado. It's such a beautiful state.
Yeah, I've heard great things about Colorado. I've always wanted to visit.
You should totally go. It's definitely worth it.
Yeah, I'll have to plan a trip soon. Do you have any favorite hiking spots?
Yeah, I love hiking in the Rockies. There's a great trail near my house too.
That sounds amazing. I'll have to check it out.
Yeah, let me know if you want to go sometime.
Sounds like a plan. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love playing guitar and reading. How about you?
I'm more of a movie buff. I love watching films and discussing them.
That's cool. I've been meaning to watch more movies.
Yeah, you should. There's some great stuff out right now.
Okay, I'll have to check it out.
So, have you heard about the new Marvel movie?
Yeah, I've been hearing great things about it.
Yeah, me too. I'm planning to see it opening night.
That sounds like so much fun. I'll have to check it out.
Yeah, it's going to be epic. Have you seen any of the other Marvel movies?
Yeah, I've seen most of them. I love the Marvel Universe.
Yeah, it's amazing how they've connected all the movies.
Totally. It's like a whole different world.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, I should probably get back to work.
Yeah, me too. It was great chatting with you.
Same to you. Let's catch up again soon.
Sounds good to me.